back to my channel. This is Pashvika. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to convert the PNG file of your design into the vector graphic, into the Illustrator as AI format or even as a EPS format. So I'm going to show you. Let's get straight with that. And before we go part, consider click the like button if you really appreciate that. And if you want more such designing videos, consider subscribing to our channel. And if you want to make money online, then we have other channel as well. I'm going to leave them in the description box below. You can check it out. Okay guys, Illustrator. So I'm going to go over to the file option and we're going to pick up a canvas. So I'm going to click over to the new option. Chances to select the type of canvas depending on the size and depending on the different variations. So I'm going to go probably over to the web section and we're going to just upload, get the canvas according to our custom size. So I'm choosing 100,000 by 1000 pixels. You can choose whatever size you want to. Since I want to show you how to convert it, so that's why I'm choosing any file size, any canvas size which I want to, and this is create on the create option. Okay guys, you get that white canvas. Now we need to open the file of our PNG design file into the Illustrator. So I'm just going to go over to the file option. We're going to go over to the place option and we're going to place our PNG design file in this Illustrator. So I'm going to be just dragging any file from my laptop. I have placed the file of my PNG file design. Now for the sake of this video, I have chosen a simple design from my laptop, any design which I get in the PNG file format and which I can then convert into the vector file. So I have chosen this black and white small line art design from my laptop just for the sake of this video tutorial. Now we'll just need to convert this file into the vector file. I'm just going to click over to this file over here and we're going to go over to the option window option. And we're going to select the option as image tracer. So image trace, not tracer guys. So this kind of like pop-up will going to appear. Now make sure if you having a colorful design, you set the mode to colorful or the grayscale depending on the color of your design. Since it's the black and white design, so I'm just going to select the black and white itself and then click onto the trace option. And depending on the type of the file you have, since we are tracing this large image, so it will going to take some time. You can even reduce the size of your image by rasterizing it by choosing the object in the rasterize option. But I think I need this file size only, so I'm going to just click over OK. And depending on the type of file you're vectorizing or you're tracing, it will going to take some time depending on that. And yeah guys, so we are done with that. Now the another thing that we need to do where you're just close this pop-up menu and bring it in our canvas. Okay, it's rasterized. Now we need to do one more step before we actually save our file. So just go over to the object menu and go over to this image tracer option and go over to the expand option. Okay, so the expand option is in progress and now you can see your each individual file is in the vector file. You can take it out of like this and you can make changes to your file whatever way you want to do. It's converted into the vector file and you can do whatever you want to do with the file and you can just see how it's there, and either you can save it or you can change the color of the every element of your design. Since this is just the simple design guys, so I see that this is a kind of texture. I got it from that by using the image tracer, and now I need to save this file because I had converted into the vector file. So I'm going to go over to the file option and click over to the save as option, and we're going to be saving it as either as an AI, like the Adobe Illustrator AI option is also type of vector file, or either saving it as Illustrator EPS, or you can also save it as SVG. So depending on whatever file format you want, you can select that and you can save it. So I'm going to select the Illustrator EPS. You can name the file over here. So I'm going to just write as a black design and click over to the option as save. And boom guys, we just need to click this last option. Okay, So our file is saving right now, and boom guys, we have converted the PNG file into the EPS file. The same you can do and save it as a AI file as well, or even save it as an SVG file as well. Do whatever you want to do, but it's so simple and so easy to convert your PNG file into a vector file by the Illustrator. So that's it for today's short video. I hope you really enjoyed today's tutorial. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and if you want more such video, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.